Welcome to Terence Sobesdani Lecture. Chapter 5, Segmentation, Targeting, and Positioning.
Good evening, sir. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course.
Sir, I would like to start a delivery dessert business.
Great. May I know the business model?
Firstly, customer has to start by choosing their favorite ice flavor, and select 4 delicious toppings to serve together with the dessert from the website. Next, they have to indicate the quantity, time of delivery, and address. Finally, we will send the dessert to the location and time as stated.
How about the payment?
I plan to collect the payment when the customer receives the dessert.
Great. I believe this is a good idea. But, may I know your target market?
Target market? Sir, what is target market?
A target market is a group of customers towards which a business has decided to aim its marketing efforts and ultimately its merchandise. A well-defined target market is the first element to a marketing strategy. The marketing mix variables of product, place, promotion and price are the 4 elements of a marketing mix strategy that determine the success of a product in the marketplace.
Oh, I see. I think my target market should be Connaught area.
Okay, how are you going to differentiate your product? What is the product positioning?
Huh? Differentiation? Positioning? Sir, I do not know what are you talking about. Are they important?
It's essential. Today, segmentation, targeting and positioning, STP, is a familiar strategic approach in modern marketing. It is one of the most commonly applied marketing models in practice. The STP model is useful when creating marketing communications plans, since it helps marketers to prioritize propositions, and then develop and deliver personalized and relevant messages to engage with different audiences. This is an audience rather than product-focused approach to communications which helps deliver more relevant messages to commercially appealing audiences.
STP? Should I start from S, the segmentation?
Yes, market segmentation is dividing a market into smaller segments of buyers with distinct needs, characteristics, or behaviors that might require separate marketing strategies or mixes.
May I know how to segment the market? Is there any strategy to segment the market?
You can segment your markets based on nearly any variable, as long as it's effective. But, there are 4 famous approaches. Firstly, geographic. Dividing a market into different geographical units, such as nations, states, regions, counties, or cities. Secondly, demographic. Breakdown by any combination, age, gender, income, education, ethnicity, marital status, education, household, or business, size, length of residence, type of residence, or even profession, occupation. Thirdly, psychographic. Dividing a market into different segments based on social class, lifestyle, or personality characteristics. Lastly, behavioral. Refers to the nature of the purchase, brand loyalty, usage level, benefits sought, distribution channels used, reaction to marketing factors.
Oh, I see. So, the main purpose of market segmentation is to ensure the marketing messages will be designed for each segment, to emphasize relevant benefits and features required rather than one-size-fits-all for all customer types. Therefore, this approach is more efficient, delivering the right mix to the same group of people, rather than a scattergun approach.
Exactly. Once you have done the market segmentation for your dessert business, the next step is to do the market targeting. There are few things you need to look at. Segment size and growth. Segment structural attractiveness. Your company objectives and resources. The main reason of market targeting is to give more power to your brand. When you knows exactly to whom it will sell and what compels those individuals to buy, it is better able to create advertising campaigns that communicate the brand message effectively. Ultimately, this typically ends up giving sales a boost, driving up revenue and profits.
Sir, I just did a quick search from my iPad. There are many types of targeting strategy, such as undifferentiated marketing, differentiated marketing, concentrated marketing, micro-marketing, local marketing, and individual marketing. I will go through the details later. However, which one should I choose for my business?
John, again, you have to consider your company resources, the dessert market variability, your product's life cycle stage, and the competitor's marketing strategies.
Sir, you seem like throwing a lot of questions back to me.
Yeah, starting a business is simple. However, maintaining business need a lot of efforts. Therefore, you need to have a clear concept for your business. Sir believes there is no problem for the product side. But, I can feel you do not have a clear concept for the entire marketing plan. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail.
All right. I will brainstorm tonight. Sir, how about the last process? P?
P is the positioning. Positioning is developing a product and brand image in the minds of consumers. In order to develop a clear brand image, you need to differentiate your brand or product. Thus, you have to identify a set of differentiating competitive advantages, and choose the right competitive advantages to position your brand. Example, you can create differentiation on product, services, channels, people, or image. You may not need to focus on all attributes as given by Sir, just pick the one that relevant to your dessert business. In the example here, I've taken some car's brand. This isn't a detailed product position map, more of an illustration. If there were no cars in one segment, it could indicate a market opportunity. Understand?
Yes, sir. Can I make a conclusion? Effective positioning involves a good understanding of competing products and the benefits that are sought by my target market. It also requires me to identify a differential advantage with which it will deliver the required benefits to the market effectively against the competition. My dessert business should aim to define itself in the eyes of the customers in regards to the competition.
Excellent. John, I guess you have better idea now.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thanks for your advice and time.
Small matter.
See you, sir.
Goodbye.